अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। लेक्चर स्टार्ट होने से पहले आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि आप हमारे दूसरे चैनल को ज़रूर विज़िट करें जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। उसमें ग्रामर एमसीक्यूज़ क्विज़ अपलोड किए जाते हैं। इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, व्हाट डज बेकर सी एज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन स्कूल एंड एजुकेशन। इसका आंसर है, Baker sees a great difference between school and education. He says that children start learning about various things from their parents and surroundings, and that is education. He says that before entering the school, the children have already mastered various skills. On the other hand, in schools, children are usually taught about defeating and destroying opponents, and that means real success. Question number 2 है, what can we infer about Baker's attitude towards television? इसका आंसर है, Baker is not much satisfied with children watching TV. He is of the opinion that TV teaches nothing, just the negative elements to the children, like how to pick a lock, commit a bank holdup, prevent wetness all day long, get the laundry twice as white, and kill people with a variety of sophisticated weapons. Sophisticated weapons, jadid tareen hathiyar. Hence, he is not in favor of children watching TV, so they remain safe from learning and adopting negative ways in their lives. Question number 3 है, Baker's tune is very cynical. Cynical कहते हैं मजमूम, मुलामत के लायक होना, यानी मीन्स बुरा होना. Cynical in school versus education. To what extent do you think he means what he says? Explain. इसका आंसर है, no doubt Baker's tune is very cynical in school-based education. In this essay, Baker is basically criticizing parents and the education system. He says that parents' role is of great importance with respect to shaping a child's personality, building his character, and giving strength to his mental development. He believes that schools and colleges do need improvement in preparing children well for their future lives. Although he has used dense words to explain his point of view, I think he means what he says. Question number 4 है, what is the main idea of Baker's essay? इसका आंसर है, the main idea of Baker's essay is that children have great potential to learn a lot from their schooling, environment, and parents. Whatever they learn or what they become in their lives is the clear reflection of the impact of the above mentioned factors on their social, moral, and cultural understanding. Bakers believe that there is a huge difference between education and schooling. He says that formal education just pushes a person from one stage to another. According to Baker, getting education and being educated differs from one another to a great extent. Question number 5 है, last question है, pick out some transitional devices from the text school versus education. What purpose do they serve? इसका आंसर है, some of the transitional devices that are used in the text school versus education are at this stage, at this point, afterwards, and thus. These transitional devices have been used by the writer to connect the paragraphs with one another and to maintain coherence in the text without bringing breaks in the ideas.